What's something people don't know about honey? It takes a bee's entire lifetime to make just 1/12 of a teaspoon. Crazy, right? First stop, the flowers. Bees zip around collecting nectar with their tiny tongues. It's like a nectar treasure hunt. Once they've slurped up enough, they store it in their special honey stomachs. Next, it's back to the hive. There, they pass the nectar mouth to mouth from bee to bee. It's like a game of telephone, but way stickier. This process reduces the water content, turning nectar into thick honey. Then the bees fan it with their wings to evaporate even more water. Who knew bees were such talented ventilators? Finally, they seal it up in honeycomb cells with a wax cap, like nature's very own Tupperware. And voila, you've got fresh honey, straight from the hive. So next time you drizzle honey on your toast, remember the tiny winged heroes who made it possible. For more sweet facts like comment and subscribe.